What is an acne? Acne is a condition of skin that happens when your hair follicles becomes blocked with oil and dead skin cells. It frequently causes blackheads, whiteheads or pimples. Skin breakout is generally regular among youngsters, however it also influences individuals of every age. Treatments of acne are available, but acne can be insistent. Causes. There can be many causes for acne. Some are development of bacteria in your pores. An excess of oil is created by your follicles. Dead skin cells gather in your pores. Acne happens when the pores of your skin become hindered with oil, dead skin, or microbes. Acne usually shows up on face, forehead, chest, upper back and shoulders because these territories of skin have the most oil organs. Hair follicles are associated with oil organs. These follicle dividers may produce a whitehead. These problems can usually cause pimples. A pimple usually shows up when bacteria develops in a blocked pore. Symptoms. If you have acne, you'll ordinarily see pimples that are white or dark. Blackheads appear at the outside of your skin, giving them a dark appearance because of oxygen which is present in the air. Whiteheads gives a white appearance. Both whiteheads and blackheads are the most widely recognized injuries found in skin breakout. Other symptoms of acne are papules are small red bumps which appears on skin. Pustules which are papules with discharge at their tips. Also known as pimples. Nodules are huge, strong, difficult knots which appears on the exterior of the skin. Cystic lesions are painful, it has pus-filled bumps which appears on the skin. Home remedies for acne. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a tropical plant whose leaves produces a pure gel. It is very natural, it doesn't contain any bacteria. It's very calming to the skin. Aloe vera decreases the presence of acne, it lightens the dark spots on our skin. Aloe vera contains bunches of water and is a natural lotion. It's very reasonable for individuals whose skin gets dry by using anti-acne products. The aloe vera gel is frequently added to moisturizers, creams, balms and cleansers. It's normally used to treat scraped areas, rashes, consumes and other skin conditions. Aloe vera is utilized broadly in the treatment of acne. How to use aloe vera. Pick an aloe vera leaf, take out its gel and apply to your face before sleeping, for maximum 2 weeks for the best results. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a fundamental oil that is removed from the leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia. Tea tree oil is a natural way to get rid of acne fast. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which indicates that it may kill P. acnes. Tea tree oil's properties indicates that it can lessen the growing and redness of pimples. The specialists found that tea tree oil items can decrease the number of acne wounds in individuals with mild to moderate acne. It is famous for its skill to fight with bacteria and reduce the skin irritation. How to use tea tree oil. Do not apply tea tree oil directly to your face, always dilute it with some other oils such as coconut or olive oil. You can also add tea tree oil to your creams or lotions. Apply twice a day for best results. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a typical solution for skin conditions like skin acne. Apple cider vinegar is made by taking out apple juice, or the unfiltered juice from squeezed apples. Like different vinegars, it is known for its capacity to fight numerous sorts of bacteria and viruses. Apple cider vinegar contains a few natural acids that kills P. acnes. Additionally, lactic acid has been appeared to improve the presence of acne scars. Apple cider vinegar may help evaporate the excessive oil which usually causes acne. Apple cider vinegar is harmless to your skin and can improve its surface and appearance. Apple cider vinegar has calming properties and it comprises of acetic acid. This implies that apple cider vinegar can exfoliate our skins, absorbs excessive oil and unplug blocked pores. It likewise can re-establish the correct pH levels to your skin. The correct pH balance keeps the surface of your skin nice and healthy, which gives a bright and smooth look to your skin. How to use apple cider vinegar. Add 1 part of apple cider vinegar to 3 parts of water, mix it well. Apply the mixture to your face with the help of a cotton swab. After a minute, rinse your face with warm water. Repeat the process twice a day. 4. Green tea. Applying green tea to your skin is an effective way to reduce acne. Green tea comes from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis tea plant. Green tea is high in antioxidants and drinking it can advance our health. It contains antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties as well. Green tea can help refining the redness and irritated skin which is caused by acne. It can decrease inflammation. Green tea can also help kill P. acnes. Different examinations have demonstrated that applying green tea to the skin lessens sebum creation and pimples. How to use green tea. Add green tea to boiling water, let it cool for some minutes. Apply it to your face with the help of a cotton ball. Let it sit on your face and rinse your face with water. Repeat the process daily. 5. Exfoliate. An exfoliant is an item or process that decreases the quantity of dead cell from the skin. Whether your acne is mild or severe, exfoliation will smooth and relax your skin and it will also light up your face complexion. It decreases acne by shielding the pores from getting blocked up with the pus. Exfoliation is an advantageous piece of any skincare schedule. If you do exfoliation daily, your skin will look more splendid and it will feel gentler and smoother. It really helps in reducing acne. How to use exfoliate. Take a spoon of olive oil or coconut oil, add some amount of sugar in the oil. Mix it well. Scrub your face in circular motion for 15 minutes. Rinse your face. Repeat the process daily for best results. Pro tips. Drink plenty of water. Wash your face before going to sleep. Do not take stress. Walk regularly. Stay hydrated. Do not touch your pimples or acne.